How to apply multiple filters at once in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device, upload a photo from your gallery or take a new one using the camera. Once your photo is loaded, start by applying the first filter you want from the filter options at the bottom, such as makeup, smile or edge. After applying the first filter, tap apply button at the bottom right to save that effect temporarily. Next, without closing the app, look for the option to apply another filter. Usually you can tap on different filter categories and apply a second or third filter one after another by repeating the process. Keep in mind, some filters might override others, so try to combine filters that complement each other for the best result. After applying all the filters you want, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited photo to your gallery. Now you know how to apply multiple filters at once in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.